Hello everyone. There are some few points that a corporate tax-paying, law-abiding citizen has made for Nirmala Sitharaman ji and the team that is leading the drafting committee of the budget 2025 session. So let's begin. So first and foremost, the thing I would like to say is please make tax simple for each and every layman. The tax is still not simple. Many things are complicated. Please remove these. Please make one tax slab. Let's say remove old and new. Please make just one tax slab, let's say above 10 lakh rupees, 20% tax slab. And yes, above 10 lakh rupees you should take 20% tax slab. Before that nobody should be given any sort of liberty, and this should be applicable to each and every citizen of India or anybody who is working in India, including the agriculturists. So another request is why are cities like Pune, where rent are equally as high as cities of Mumbai or Gurgaon, why are they not included in the list of metros? This is wrong. You should include many other cities in the list of metros in the HRA. Also, the home loan interest rate is 2 lakhs, which needs to be increased to 5 lakhs. Apartment prices are literally skyrocketing, and don't complicate again like what you did in popcorn. Under construction straight away give 5 lakhs, and please increase ATC limit to 5 lakhs and PPF limit please more from annual 1.5 lakhs to annual 5 lakhs. This would be very beneficial, and the PPF money will stay with you, and people will have more money at the end of 15 years. This is very helpful to the common man because his money will not be eroded if he invests uselessly anywhere else. Apart from that, my suggestion would be, why is the donations to government organizations at 100% and you can only claim 50% of the other things? This needs to be changed. Please make one single tax slab, and so that everybody can learn from this. So these are the few points through which you can make a life of a single taxpayer who is law abiding, who is not a vote bank. You can make him also happy, and eventually, believe me, trust me, you will earn more revenue. The state governments and the central governments can earn more revenue. And please, AC is not a luxury nowadays. There is incredible heat in the northern parts of India, so please, can you reduce the tax slab there? Refrigerator is also not luxury, so please don't segregate refrigerator like 18,000 less and above 18,000, 20,000 you will tax like that. So please, those who can buy air conditioning in a city like Gurgaon are not living a very luxurious life. So please reduce the tax slab there as well. Thank you so much. Hopefully this budget 2025 will be favorable to a common tax-paying, law-abiding citizen of India. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe so that my voice reaches the finance ministry as soon as possible. Thanks.